Hello. Yeah. So I don't know where this fellows hidden you and which prostitute for sucking. Tomorrow, if you are sucking anybody, that is the entire universe will get devastated. Have some minimum words. This none of these crack devils have any minimum common sense or mindset or understand desperateness, greediness, lust. They are interpreting me into their limited mindset actually, and they are writing that I am desperate to chuck. And this teacher, this is the reason. As long as nindekke ee desperateness neeke each and every attempt about the elections or everything you will fail and all of you will get devastated. നിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ അത്രയ്ക്ക് നീർട്ട ജന്മങ്ങളാണ് നീയൊക്കെ പുഴുത്ത പട്ടികൾ. You kind of fellows will sell your own mother even for money, lust like that kind of each and every fellow including you also. നിൻ്റെ ഡെസ്പറേറ്റ്നെസ് നീ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് നീ അനുഭവിക്കുന്നത് നീ എന്നിട്ട് പറയുന്നത് കർമ്മേ ഞാൻ നീ 1,000 times you used to born for touching me even that much you are a devil and for without any shame when you power they will arrange you. If you are married today, what you will be based upon that. Then what do you do? And then when the force comes, you go to check upon it. So I know that you also got a fear inside because now. See, you people have an association also, not only the leaders, everybody that combined. Actually, people are afraid that with me that will not work out. So that's the reason everybody joined in nicely to skip away. Also, since I blocked, then if I'm not there, the people thought now you people got a grip that you people can manage with so many places and this and nothing is. So that's the reason universe knows that what are the things, what are the activities each and everybody is doing. Okay, so another thing, oh no, marriage proposal knock on me. Pull and knock മറ്റണം വെട്ടി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ഏവനായാലും ഇൻക്ലൂഡിങ് വിഷ്ണുപ്പെട്ട ചേരാൽസ് നിൻ്റെ ഡിസിഷൻ ക്യാബിനറ്റ് ആരൊക്കെ നിൽക്കുന്ന പേട്ട് സ്വന്തം വീട്ടിൽ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നോക്കാറുണ്ട്. അത് പറന്നാറി ഫ്രോഡുകളാണ് മറ്റുള്ള ഡോണ്ട് തിങ്ക് അബൌട്ട് മീ. ഐ ഹാവ് സെറ്റിൽഡ് ഈച്ച് ആൻഡ് എവറി മാറ്റർ ഇൻ മൈ ഹോം ആൻഡ് എവറിത്തിങ്. ബട്ട് നിന്നെ പോലുള്ള പറന്നാറി പോഷണങ്ങൾ ചെന്ന് സ്ക്രൂപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് ക്രിയേറ്റിംഗ് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഇൻ അവർ ഫാമിലി. അതർവൈസ് ദർ വാസ് നോ പ്രോബ്ലം, നത്തിങ്. ഇറ്റ് വാസ് സച്ച് എ പീസ്ഫുൾ ഫാമിലി. ദാറ്റ് ലക്ഷ്മണൻ ബിഹൈൻഡ് ആഫ്റ്റർ സീയിങ് ദ പീസ് ആൻഡ് ദ ക്വാളിറ്റി ഇൻ അവർ ഫാമിലി ആൻഡ് ഓക്കെ. ഇതിനെപ്പോലുള്ള പറന്നരച്ചിട്ട് ഈവൻ മൈ മദർ വൈ ഐ എം സ്കോൾഡിങ് ഹർ, even she will get she's island she will get excited under the screwing up and if some consideration is there, that's the reason I'm scolding her. And that is because of you fellas level, so she should not get again you fellas trap. And I have seen that there when you fellas thought that the Kerala Abhi wanted that I should suck Raulji that so everybody was taking her to temples and everything. What are the concerts? The moment I told her so immediately in the car, so blocking people not to the race. Limited mindset. See, you don't think that anybody so with here this limited mindset it can trap him and this is a push motor. Oh, door is open, no jump at the partner in a waiter in a permanent your doors in the mouth in the character in a who knows the devastation. That much poison you are snake paranarchet trap. Each person have their own personality, their own way, and they have the clear understanding what they have to do in their life, and they know to execute. And not to think that you're if you are a dump and surviving with others, grabbing, looting and gameplay means don't picturize others also into that way. You are coming into my path. This I have long back I decided. Still don't trust me in a worm with the pulle. Paranarika, വർഷങ്ങളായിട്ട് പോരാറിച്ചിട്ട് how much I am thinking ഒരു വാട്ടർ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഭ്രാന്ത് പിടിച്ചതിൻ്റെ ഒരു ക്രാക്ക് ലാബ് കൊണ്ട് കുറേ പട്ടികളെ വളർത്തി വെച്ചിട്ട് ഐ ഗോഡ് ഐ സ്റ്റെപ്പോട്ട് ഐ വാസ് കോൺസെൻട്രേറ്റ്. എൻ്റെ ഒപ്പം നിനക്ക് നിൻ്റെ എൻ്റെ റൂമിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ക്യാമറ വെച്ച് നിൻ്റെ അമ്മ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയല്ലോ നടന്ന് ചാരക്കലി പരനാറി പട്ടി പേ പിടിച്ചടക്കുന്ന നാണോ ചുടങ്ങി. ജസ്റ്റ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് വെർ ഈസ് യുവർ എലിജിബിലിറ്റി ഇഫ് ദർ വാസ് എ പ്രോബ്ലം അറ്റ് ദ ടൈം ഇൻ ദ IIT വേൾഡ്സ്. സോ യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ് ദറ്റ് ഓൾ ദ പ്രോസസ് അറ്റ് ദ ടൈം യു കുഡ് ഓക്കെ വി ആർ ടോക്കിംഗ് മോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ എവറിത്തിങ് ആൻഡ് ഇഫ് യു ആർ അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് മിനിമം capable person you could call me. So what is the problem? What do you stand? What do you see or stand? Why you are not accepting Abhishek or Akshay or what is the problem and what you are? That is what a man should do. And what you have done and screwed up the entire SRM people and gave their all of them office. This is what another culture of some poor madness. Some street fellows will get they will get excited under the childhood trauma in the disorder getting at sort of Punara you want surely you want to set up a screw up and then a veterinary thrown billions and Adani Midokabina how much billions in the Kadichimati World Bank in our just occur everything like a judiciary play Mella. Avasana play. Okay. Also, first use your common sense. You fellows, in your life, you didn't do any hard work. And so now, shows are and all that's the thing. Otherwise, you didn't do any hard work, didn't touch your hand or feet in the soil or anything. Okay. You need to understand that without hours of what are the money is getting, there is no use. That's the reason you are this much suffering, suffocating, and pay. And so, then one more thing, I am feeling that these fellows might have taken you for this Shivratri time. So, something because you are, I know that how much you are in the disappointment stage. And so, like this. Last year they have taken together now like that now they might have taken it somewhere to take your അവനൊക്കെ തലയ്ക്ക് വന്നിട്ട് പിഴച്ച പുഴുത്ത പട്ടികളാണ് അതൊക്കെ ചെയ്തു കൂട്ടുന്ന കർമ്മങ്ങളുടെ ഫലമാണ് the universe is showing through the different way and the entire thing is getting and see whatever the thing ഈ പറയുന്ന ചെട്ടകൾ തീരുമാനിക്കുന്നോ നീ നോഷിച്ച് നീ എന്നുള്ള കോൺഗ്രസ് ഒരു അടിവാരം ഈസ് ഈവൻ ഗെറ്റിംഗ് ഡിവാസ്റ്റേഡ് റൈറ്റ് ദാറ്റ്സ് റൈറ്റ് ഓൾസോ ദാറ്റ് ആർക്കെമിഷൻ അപ്പോണ്ടിക്ക് പറയുന്ന പോയിസണസ് വിഴമാണ് അയാളിൽ നിന്ന് എമിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് പോയിസൺ അയാൾ അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു നികൃഷ്ട ജന്മമാണ് ശകുനിയെ പോലെ ദാറ്റ് വൺ വാസ് ഇൻ ദ വാണ്ടറിങ് ഇൻ ദ വാട്ട് ചുടുകാട്ടിലൊക്കെ അതേപോലെ പുഴച്ച പുഴുത്ത നായാണ് അയാളുടെ അടുത്ത് പോകരുത് അയാളെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ യെസ്റ്റർഡേ ഐ കോൾഡ് ടു ചെക്ക് അറ്റ് ദാറ്റ് ആഫ്റ്റർ ശിവരാത്രി അപ്പോഴേക്കും തോന്നി ഇയാൾ പുഴുത്ത അയാൾക്ക് ഒരു നോളജ് അയാളുകൾ പുഴുത്ത വിഷമാണ് കാരണം യു നീഡ് ടു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ഹൗ വി സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് ദീസ് കോൺഫ്ലിക്ട്സ് ഇൻ ജൂലൈ വെൻ യു ദീസ് ഫെലോസ് ആർ ടേക്കിംഗ് യു ടു that forcefully taking you to London to that Matana Sak that 1 week they have locked up. So before that week, that time only I have met this person. I went to this person. At that time only he was telling, he only started that you are a gadda, like that, all negativity about you. This is what, see, a truly knowledgeable person or sadhana. He is telling that in India, nobody else is there to sadhana. He is not having any idea. He is the least person with a sadhana. Like that, Kayalari, Shavama, Shagunam Butcha, പുഴച്ച ജന്മമാണ് അയാളൊരു വിഷ പോയിസൺ അയാൾ പുഴുത്ത പട്ടി അതർവൈസ് സി ജസ്റ്റ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ടിൽ ദാറ്റ് ടൈം ഹൗ വാസ് അവർ തിങ്സ് എവറിഥിങ് വാസ് പീസ്ഫുൾ ബട്ട് ഫ്രം ദാറ്റ് ടൈം ഓൺവേർഡ്സ് ഐ സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് ദാറ്റ് ഡേ I told that you are Gadda. That's the reason out of disappointment you agreed to suck that prostitute. And that's the reason after that you went into the disappointment stage and then 1 week you are with that prostitute and then this Wayanad landslide happened and this whole thing. This is sort of the against the nature the thing has been done. And then after that this bastard was putting the thing and he have collected my all details, birth details and everything, my photo, and then he was doing the negative energy injection and this is on the back he is screwing up and he used to tell you know for him wanted to know the Gandhi family. So for this kind of straight fellow it's a privilege. Actually in it his wife and daughter these fellas are doing the prostitution and let's say in Kannada place one MB's home and one room they are staying at like they can the first moment itself I sense that she's the prostitute because now there is a same point of person is there in our Anaur. She is a number one prostitute over there. I know that same face, same look, that lady, such ladies I know that from their I expression the way they look at that kind of way. That's the reason. See, yeah, man, this and all karma, our karma is having impact. What when a person is living with this kind of he na kachara party screwing up all the people and creating conflicts and spoiling. That's the reason it's a shaba that is pracha janmam. He had to his wife selling her charitre and he has to live in a market temple with somebody's fake kachara party. His daughter was the ahankar kachara party. You can recognize nana chadanga pulta puligal. So that master really trapped me and took that when I showed that in our that gold that and all photos and he thought certainly how can you, he will tell you that I want to take anybody for money and he will not eat it but it chet out 2,000 rupees his Rudrashamala and for his daughter like monk and what are the thing and he was pointing to the cloth and what are the chapel, what are the thing he wanted that then when asked that his stepping over there to hand over 4,000 rupees to his hand and then that money he have taken and these are the thing kachara street fellows the see a real knowledgeable or who have a sadhana, they will be having that will be reflected through their activity. And then for eating also, how much he was eating some 10-15 roti and all he was eating. So there's a high class hotel only he will eat and staying also. So in front of the people that doing the show off like because now who are all coming they will be paying the money. So then that bastard after eating this much only he was coming and telling that I am eating like that. This kind of culture. So actually why this fellow so taken it to just to check my vagina. That's a process. Even though how much he tried he couldn't get the റിയൽ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആണ് അനുസരിച്ച് പരന്നാറി പേട്ടേനൊക്കെ പോലുള്ള പാട്ടി പഴച്ച ജന്മങ്ങൾ ഇതൊക്കെ വെറും വർഷങ്ങളാണ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ റീസൺ ദ യൂണിവേഴ്സ് ദ കോൺഫ്ലിക്ട്സ് ദീസ് ഓൾ തിങ്സ് ഹാപ്പനിങ്. ദാറ്റ്സ് വാട്ട് ഐ സെൻസ് and I have that power, energy. I can sense that. I have the privilege and I know my blessing. And these fellows will tell that everybody to that I am wandering in the street, I don't know what to do. You fellows are not even see last week, right, the day when FBI director Kash Patel joined, right? So how the previous day I have posted against you that drone and that also then these all that reports against you and Sonia ji that Sonia ji what report? Yeah, how Rajiv Gandhi got trapped into and that buffer scandal, everything. So that see, even the US president is taking decision based upon all that day only all the Senate members. These also showed my post to them. That's the reason all the Senate members agreed for Kash Patel's FBI director post. So till that time they are good. So just understand my growth. This is what people should have this is everybody is telling that I am negative. Just understand who is optimistic and who is pessimist. Yeah? See, I am that much confident and powerful, and I know who am I and what are my activities, what I am doing, why I am scolding even. Okay, that the right sense I am doing the things. How much my growth. See, even the US president is taking the decision based upon me. See, in this, what are the world Ivy League, what are the top universities, Stanford or MIT or Cambridge or Oxford, what are the thing? Do any of the students have the privilege who are all graduated with the top or rank or what are the thing? Do any of them have the privilege? And do privilege not? That privilege can get, but the growth, do any of them? See, also see, you people need to understand that these are that nothing is working out. No, whatever the thing, I 100% in my mind I am wishing that will happen. I wanted that Rishi Sunak has to be thrown out and it has been executed. I decided that Kamala Harris, because I wanted that power lobby, double lobby has to be replaced. That system has been replaced. Okay, that's the thing. But Modi case also I wanted that. But the thing, he actually he didn't win. But the thing, I understood for the security of the nation, safety, stability, I hold his power. That's the only thing. How many times he would have been, you people also know in that, like this, he would have been falling. But I was holding for the nation. Because now, see, much before we will be taking the power, we should know the team, the credibility. See, there should be one way. Even the way Modi is hijacking, he wanted all the decisions should be unique. What the decision that should be, there should be a symmetry in that decision. That only the progress will happen. See how they are constructing this, even the Central Vista Parliament project and these all things. How the stipulated time, the way they are spread, because the decision should be from the one means the one nation. Why he is telling that is not. See, people should not misuse it. But in a one way, how we should propagate it. So that's the way. There should be a trained team. But if they are suppressing, hijacking everybody forcefully and out of power, this is madness. There is supposed for psycho disorders, governance like that. This is called genetic childhood desperateness. And when the Alpanartham, that's the thing. And so when they will get excited and doing that, this is not the way to control or hijack. Also, see, don't think that now I told that I am another. I have you people should obey what I'm telling that, and I'll know for the good thing, because I know that my the intuition said that is the universe intuition I am propagating. Okay, and I will not be any partiality, or I will be always neutral, and I know I will take the right decisions only. Okay, so why I am scolded Aljan this much, he should get the lessons in the nice way. That much he played means even the how much convincing also. Again, some getting the cabbage offers, getting excited, and then again, so if now we thought that all the option, even the Delhi election also, oh now Congress may not come, so then why do I need you like that? This is giving value to the people. And so then what, for the past 2 years I was running 24/7 after seeing his promotion where he is. That's the reason നീ വെറും പഴച്ച സ്ത്രീക്ക് പറഞ്ഞത് കൊണ്ട് നീ നിന്റെ തള്ള അങ്ങനത്തെ വെറും വിഷം പോയിസൺ സ്ത്രീയാണ് ഷീസ്. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ്സ് എ റീസൺ. that kind of dialogues and പിന്നെ ലോഫ്സ് മൈൻഡ് നീ ആര് കഴിക്കാൻ പാട്ടി നിന്നെ അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ നുറുക്കി ചേർച്ചെടുക്കണമാണ് നിന്നെ ഇഷ്ട ജന്മം. And that's the reason these fellows don't think that they will offer and you can enjoy for your enjoyment. That here now, even if people are in jail also, that will give it to what and propagate in the leaders will provide in the direction. So that's the reason they want secretly it to be. You will pay for your entire life. That they will put a deadlock. You will never be able to come out from that. Mainly they want to take you out from my proximity. That's the reason they are trying this much hard. So don't get excited. Also, leaders also, you do not have any existence without Ralji. That you people need to understand that these fellows will propagate everything to devotion. Now also see how the way nicely Sachin Patil is coming something. So that even and making that Kanyakumar too. Kanyakumar is a kachara party kachara. On what basis these people are proper allowing this kind of kachara locally frauds national level to speak and kachara fraud. First understand that what is their background for what they are doing, if they are fighting or what are they. So just understand what I am doing and how my working style systematically, how I did. And I understood a severe problem. There is no other solution, no other way. Only I had to act. That is because when I left everything and I went into 2008, when these fellows are doing the madness, I tried to solve the thing all the way, but these fellows are not allowing. And they will not allow the authorities also to do. I left everything and I went into Trivandrum 2018. So they have demolished my home and everything. And then I again came back. I thought, okay, I will go to Cambridge and the problem will be solved. I also wanted to do a second PhD in complex system. I found a nice grade and he also was liking my image and it was a very well. Also the Thomas Lucas, everything I wanted. But this crack party, his problem, his jealous ego frustration. This is what we should be very much careful. Even the research holders which get also in any field with whom we are trying to take them into our life or some agreement even. That's the thing. Because now they will put into psycho their limited mindset and they will try to, then they want to justify, they want to hide their ego of inferiority complex. They will keep on project their inferiority complex and stamp it like that. This is the deadlock trap. He's like a Nirali, that kind of a double poisonous bastard. See, then he wanted that I should not do such. He spoiled my career, life, everything. And then I left everything and I went to CUSAT and then locked up stage. And then I was coming back from the again. He would devastated നികൃഷ്ട ജന്മം വെറും നികൃഷ്ട സ്ത്രീക്ക് പറഞ്ഞ ഒരുത്തനെ ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. Then I left. He made each and everybody to laugh at me that I should not do research. Then I left everything. And I am doing in the political lesson. No, you don't want to. This is how much he is devastating. Everybody hijacking. This is called madness. And I know that way, even the power. And I know that Abhishek and only put that poster and a dog after death on the dog was alive and tried to save and that when the power has given and again I took and gave it back and they are devastating the home, everything. But see, one thing is that I am suffering. I know that in the world nobody else would have been suffering. That's the reason the universe is reacting this much to my power. And I am not doing any special kriya or karma, but that's my truth. But I have my each and every action is truthful, and that is the power. Even though I have the blessing, I will not misuse. But the thing, but what he have done, way holder, that you need to understand that when the power is getting what these devils are trying to do. ഇവനൊക്കെ തോലൊക്കെ വെച്ചാൽ മാധവം പൊട്ടി കിടക്കുന്ന പാട്ടിച്ചേറ്റകളാണ്. അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു വെറി പിടിച്ച് കിടക്കുന്ന ബറ്റാലിയൻ അല്ല നാഷൻ ഹാസ് ടു ഗീവ്. ഓൾസോ ദിസ് ജസ്റ്റ് അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ് ദ കോമൺ സെൻസ് വാട്ട് ദറ്റ് പന്നും മൻഡൽ ഖാലിസ്ഥാനി ദീസ് ആർ ദ തിങ്. ഇഫ് ദ കൺട്രി is giving, the next day it will be split into some 5-7 pieces. This is what that madness. This is the same attitude they have killed that Sikh some 30,000 Sikh people or something like that. They are madness. These fellows are in the same mindset and the same doubles. So see how many murders they have done. Their madness. Also these fellows will screw up and create conflicts and especially this. See, the Congress people have killed these many people. But first you should do one thing. Kill this Archemist. This kind of kachara shabam budicha devil should not be in the universe. Actually, I know that these fellows are nicely trapped up because these fellows for money anything will do that. Because children that I also have seen in that video that how his daughter kachara prostitute pulled the word into hunger kachara teri kidakkuna pattilkku for eating, even begging the paranari jet. Then the market that people will coming there the rupees and all that with that vegetables even purchasing in his house. That kind of a party fee going and the kind of the correct paranor in the gulchakana put show of honey in the pattichi. So, and then now I have doubt that this might have taken you somewhere and a paranor and I know that. See, in between also revenge, you also instructed him to do that. That's what that videos that that and all your team only propagating. In that also that negative energy infusing created to conflicts because now you want to chuck that mutton offer also might be you can she's not going to you got overwhelmed. And when the delegation also wants, so now you thought that I don't have any power, and so why do I need this? Is your limited mindset how you people are valuing. See, whatever karma they told you will get back. You need to understand one thing, and this also will provide that if you're truthful, real, that all will work out, and you're not a truthful. First you need to what you deserve. You are not a truthful person or real. What you must you are demanding from that, just to cross check and analyze your activities. You don't know what is love even, and chatting or chucking, that is the only thing that your family have seen, and how the trying to the business in the party, that is the only thing. First understand that and the dedication, and do sadhana, and then only unless and otherwise you are even if how much offers they are giving and how much company they are running, everything you will get, they will get devastated only, and you will not get you anything. Anyway, these fellows will kill you inch by inch by inch. So you just understand that how that the fellows, and just that's what I am again posting that repeatedly. What are the data is, what are the incidents happening, read and understand how that crack double mindset തോലൊക്കെ പിടിച്ച് കിടക്കുന്ന പട്ടിയാണ് ഇയാൾ പുഴുത്ത നായ. See, just understand their minds, how much they are compromising for the Abadani case, and how much India's common man's money only he have compromised with Trump, and how much. See, still their attitude, right? How much I suffered, and my career, life, family, everything demolished, home, everything, and what are the job opportunities, everything is blocking, and what are the libraries I am going, and what are the people I am approaching for the research center, everything this bastard is blocking. So still they don't even have any mindset to talk or anything. This is what these fellows, such a fellows only arranging offer for it in the പതിനാറടി നിന്നെ നോരകത്തിൽ നീ ഇതിനെക്കാളും നീ പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കും, better you would have gone to Narakam. That much these wallas will be, you do not know it's disorder past. Now they are that much frustrated of your publicity. That's the reason. And don't think that by telling this tomorrow you will never ever become the Prime Minister of India. You are Priyankaji. You people are not deserving that because now your activities. That's what today morning also they have posted that your Himachal, that Shimla, Bangla, that 19 crore for the water swimming pool. Purifier and 97 crore. These are your activities that are reflect with the high class. Actually, if you have common sense, if anybody can looting and anybody can grab that is some high class. See, also, and you feel surprised. What are the limited mindset culture? In this world, more than anybody, me and my family is richer because now through the hard work that sweat we have come up, and we are doing these all things. Culture of party. Still I am doing eating with my own hard-earned money only. That much I did hard work. That's with that money only my hard work only. And no, each and every penny I will make you. And all the same way that you great Bunarayo, Chachita, that properties I know that who block, and why my mother is getting this much attention and going in because now who have done that? Her and my father, both of their sweat and hard work for some 30-40 years. That's the thing, that pain is there for them now, that you cannot suffer. That's the reason she's getting that much tension, and she is trying to go to Trivandrum every time, and okay, so that's the reason. So but what are the thing now, I am putting the thing is for 1 cent 1 lakh rupees, but later if you people, I know that in the play I will make for 1 cent 1 crore. whatever the thing. നിന്നെയൊക്കെ നീയൊക്കെ എന്തൊക്കെ കളിച്ചാലും നിന്നെ എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിടില്ല. പിന്നെ ആരൊക്കെ എന്തൊക്കെ കളിച്ചാലും നീയൊക്കെ അവിടെ നിൽക്കും, നിർത്താൻ എനിക്കറിയാം. So the another thing also, see this Pushpa's that massive that material export should governance and hijacking the process or IIT that process some go for showing in the collaboration. First thing, see, do you know what is your problem? We are indicating attention. Show off, and that you don't do any hard work, and you don't let the people to do hard work, just to some collaboration, show off. This is what everything, and this is the way the fellows are propriety this government also. That's the thing, this dummy show off and dummy puppet and all to hijack you, everything hijack show off, and this is not going to work out. And don't think that I hold it for so to keep you and then the thing, and no, it's for now be much before I am taking the responsibility. I am taking, I need a team. There should be one way of rhythm, flow, and a decision, and we should train a team. And it's not like somebody with multi Sushamakers and hijackers and I should fit into that thing. That is not the way. Their system failed. That's what they failed for the past 10 years, and their previous activities also, where the fraud, these all things happen. So now it should be a revamp. It should not be the old system. That's the reason. And I know I am not particular to only to them. And I know to train that team which I want. Okay. And but that activity you kind of culture of portal. I am going to libraries and I am doing my work. I know what I have to do. And I'm there in the Delhi police India Ramari Purta Chataka DCP in the CP. Paranari Patel. I came to meet each other in the converter in the Matalmari Conda Chanaka Patila and Bandanga Shika deal. In the color of Pony watch it on the Kodal Kalachi. ആരൊക്കെ എന്തൊക്കെ നാണോ ചോണം കേട്ടോ ആരോ പിന്നെ തുക്കളക്കാട്ടിൽ കയറാ പട്ടിയിലുണ്ട് കാച്ചറ ലെവലധികം. Always remember that I am seeing on scene every time that Tuklakad police station will be blasted. The same way IIT Bombay also. Getting excited. Na? Just to see what will happen. We can see that. Okay. Don't forget that how IIT Delhi Bioscience Lab got sank in the IIT Delhi full in the last year flood. This is what actually people are forgetting. Actually, this is what the Congress is systematically they were created awareness and all the authorities. That's what they acted. But why blocked the national stability? But actually, that at the critical time, how these fellows desperateness on the one the people sense that power is coming, all the Costa sticker on the lobby, everything, all the loaders, everybody gathered and the decision makers started decision. And Raj thought, oh, here's the superstar king and what and the Hangar and Paranarjet and one markikinilla. In the gesture as a Paranar, but got habituated at utilizing people and bargaining. And so that's the reason use military flight in London and the Trump everything at the point of control and so it's a decision. This is the thing happening that pop is going right. That's the thing. This is what ahangara. And then too, you're settling for me with money and so dress well. In the eligibility for dressing in my dressing a pair or a kanda party protocol. ചേരയ്ക്കാൻ പൂഴ്ത്ത ചേട്ടകൾ എന്നിട്ട് എന്നെക്കുറിച്ച് കൊണ്ടിരുന്നു നിന്നെയൊക്കെ അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നീക്ക് നശിച്ച് നിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ കിടപ്പാരം വരെ ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ നൗ ഓൾ ദ ലീഡേഴ്സ് ഗോട്ട് ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ യു വിൽ